you want to join me?
Welcome to all, I can tell, family, friends, clients, and people who recognize a really exciting thing in downtown Tampa. I'm Christine Burdick, and I'm with the Tampa Downtown Partnership. And we're here to celebrate and welcome Jamie Rogers and DOXA.
Yes, DOXA.
DOXA. A new, very good use of space in downtown. It's a gorgeous design studio, and your practice is since 2004.
Exactly.
And you're going to be, this is going to be the place where you studio and where you also display some of your wares.
Yes, yes. We are an interior design office, and actually had the privilege of working with Kevin and Sing on Anise when they opened a couple of years ago. And when the space came open, they wanted the kitchen and I wanted the window, so it worked out well. And so we took this little sliver of a space. It started out as an interior design office, but since art is a really important part of the work we do, and we work with artists from all around the world, as few of them didn't have representation in Tampa, so we thought it would be a great place to show what we have as far as art, as well as sell some gift items and whatnot that are all designed by leading architects and artisans. And first and foremost, our interior design office with our library will be back there.
Great.
Yeah.
And so, is it important to you to, I notice a lot of kitchen elements and other design. Is yours a specific interest in food and restaurants, or you've got a wide breakfast, don't you?
Yes, I mean, I do have an affinity for food and wine. but we like a form and function. Basically, that's the first rule of design. So the intention of the gift items was to be able to have things that you would use every day, but that came from a strong point of view. And we already had, and we didn't really have a lot of modern product available in Tampa. And there's lots of great product out there, and too few shops. So we thought we would bring some modern elements to the Tampa market.
Well, great. We're really glad you're in downtown. I'd like to hear more about how that decision was made.
Well, from the Anise space, from working with Anise. And when this space came open, it just seemed like a good fit, especially being that we're so art focused and we're close to all the galleries. And most of the buildings down here tend to be a little more modern, so that fit in with our aesthetic. Even though our work is very classic, it tends to have a bit of a modern sensibility. So it just seemed like a good fit.
We're really glad you're here. And I'm going to introduce someone who is also joining us and welcoming you, our own Mayor Bob Buckhorn.
First of all, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I mean, you know, when I think about how this corner has evolved over the last couple of years, and I remember mixing a drink at Anise when they opened up, and now to see the retail side of this coming, and to know that all of the work that all of us have been doing for the last 5 years is really coming to fruition as downtown comes alive. And when you think about where we were 10 years ago, and you wouldn't have done this in a million years. But now with all the residential and all the heads in beds and the excitement about downtown and all the activity in the park and the retail opportunities, this is exactly what we're looking for. What Christine and I want is retail establishments like this on the ground floor of every building in downtown, so that folks can live, work, and play in the same environment. They don't have to drive to the burbs to buy great art or great kitchen wares, that they can stay right downtown, that they don't need a car. They can come have a great meal, have a cocktail at Taps, go hang out with the mayor right down the street, and that's what.
In that order, right?
In that order, yeah. Now, preferably, they hang out before they start drinking. But this is a great day. This is a downtown that's coming alive, that's maturing, that we're not going to recognize in 5 years. And so, as I tell people all the time, this is just the beginning of what's going to happen in downtown Tampa. And so, congratulations. We're excited for you. This is cool stuff. Yeah. This is cool stuff. And since you put all the money in the deal, you get to count down.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Christine, you got to sharpen these scissors. There we go.
Yay!